Good morning, diamond painters. I want to do an unbagging for a diamond painting that I ordered off of Aliexpress for the Kamy goods store. I ordered on February 26th. It shipped out on the 28th of February. I got it on March 11th. It's called the Love Tree. It's a 30 by 30 full round, and I paid $7.55 for it. And it's a round because the squares lately, they just been garbage. No matter who I order them from. So they just, to me, they just be coming in as a mess. So I thought I'll switch it up and go for some rounds. Like, I love the challenge of the squares, because if I'm paying good money for something, I don't want it to be so easy to the point where I'm done in 2 seconds. But the squares, like I've said, I've tried several different stores and they've all been coming in with terrible drills. With that being said, we are not in the kitchen as usual. We are in the playroom, and that's what it looks like. That little guy right there. You gonna focus for me? Probably not. I call it the green heart tree, and you'll see why. But it's a small one. I paid $7.55, and I'm not sure if I said that. Hold on. Sorry, my daughter came in and she goes, "Can I join?" And I told her no. I don't mean to be, like that, but she'll take over. And I won't get like a word out. She's a chatterbox. A complete chatterbox. But I ordered from the Kamy goods store because that was the same one I got from my previous video with the 2 owls in the diamond painting. And I told them I'll place another order with them if they could get me out my drills. Well, as soon as their holiday was done, my drills, they shipped out quick. I got them in like 2 weeks, not even. The missing drills that I had. So I was like, wow, that was quick. So, let's see if I can show it to you better. So they're 2 hearts basically, almost like intertwined. So that's why I call it the green heart tree. And they call it the love tree. I've seen this in different colors, I think like red or pink. She's upset with me right now. I could tell because I won't let her join in. But let's get this open real quick so we can flatten it out. That corner's not working for me. The glue is sticking to the cover. I think this one's doing the same thing. See, now some people say rubbing it doesn't do anything. I think it just did, because it was sticking like crazy. Oh no, come on, don't rip. Don't rip on me. Alright. If you hear videos in the background, please excuse that, but whatever makes her happy at this point. Putting a big crease in the canvas cover, but rather have it in the canvas cover than in the canvas. Alright, there's little creases here and there, but I think that's from when I was trying to flatten it out a little bit. So if I pull on it a little bit, maybe it would help. Get the bubbles out. A little river right here. There's a couple little grooves in there, but that's what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? Just the canvas without any drills on it looks pretty. Like, it's hopefully it's true to what you're gonna see with the diamonds on there. That looks like a picture. That's awesome. Let's see if I get a nice close-up for you guys over here with. Can't see, so hopefully you guys can see. The drill field is very nice, very clear. The 4s looks a little dark on the top. The dark blue is number 4. K is going to be hard to see, but this is why I invested in a light pad finally. There's little creases here and there, but it didn't come on a foam roller. It was basically wrapped around the diamonds. Let's see if I can get this to go down. No, it's not going to go completely down for me. And I don't want to waste time playing with this on camera. Ah, that's better. All right. Just let me do the other. All 4 corners, the glue is sticking to the canvas cover. But they were fast service, Kamy, yeah, Kamy good store. And I can't complain. This didn't take very long to come in. Come on, work for me here. This one's giving me a hard time for a little 30 by 30. It's giving me a hard time. Alright, let's look at these drills. It's a simple kit. It has the clear pen, not the pink one, but it has no foam grippy thingy on there. There you go. But it does look like the Hurricane with the little glitter inside, but no cushion. It's alright. I don't use my drill pens a lot. I got a million of them anyway. I got a couple, a green Rogue swishing around in there. But here we go, better picture. See? Just like the canvas. So true to the colors with the canvas, what it looked like. See, I don't have to put drills on that. I could just frame it. Even though it's sticky, but that canvas is pretty. It's nice. Uh-oh, I got a couple green rogues on. Uh-oh. They're coming out the sides right here. There's another one. And let's open this up and count how many colors I have. I love how they package their drills, to be honest. They don't come in this big, gigantic, rolled up bag. It's just a small little bag to fit all the drills in. And they gave me some baggies. And it's a good amount of baggies, it looks like. Alright, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think it's 19. Yeah, 19. It's kind of an odd number. But 19. The most that I have is colored 3865. It's 11 bags. And I like the symbols because they are numbers and letters. So no weird, goofy, crazy symbols. Alright, I'm going to do a quick inventory and then let you guys know what I have. Alright, I just wanted to give a close-up of the drill field. Like I said, the K's look a little hard to see, and the 4s a little bit here and there. Sorry for the glare. We're not even next to a window. But I think that is pretty, even without any drills on it. Symbols are clear. You see little creases here and there, but I think that was just because it wasn't wrapped around a foam roller. Pretty colors. Very pretty colors. I love how it goes from like a light blue to a medium blue to a blue, and then a dark blue. I think that's really nice. I just wanted to get a close-up shot. Take it out of selfie mode, because when it's in selfie mode it looks blurry and I don't know why. But also I think their canvases are true to size. It says a 30 by 30 and so far, I think their canvases are true to size, where the pasting area is going to be a 30 by 30. Okay, all my inventory is here. I did find out where all my loose diamonds were coming from. Drills, they're coming from 906 right here. This bag has a hole somewhere. I've been scrutinizing it. I can't find it. Those fell out when I was doing my inventory. But these are all my drills. 19 colors. Very pretty blue. The 995 is just gorgeous. Sorry for the glare, but my light's automatically on my phone. But yeah, everything's here. Like I said, I had one problem with them, with the twin owls, basically. I can't call them twins, but I think the girl and the boy owl, that's what they look like. And they were quick with getting out those drills, so I bought another diamond painting, and there's another one on there. It looks like an owl family tree. I want to order that from them whenever I get a chance. I get extra money coming in, whenever that will be. But I do have an order from New Frog coming in, which I'm very disappointed so far. It took them over a week to get that order out from New Frog. And it's still in China, going through the processing. But I don't understand why it took over a week just to ship it out. But again, it's from the Kamy goods store from Aliexpress. Ordered it on 2/26. They shipped it out on 2/28. Got it on 3/11. They call it the Love Tree. It's a 30 by 30 full round. I spent $7.55 on it. They do also have this in different colors if you do want it in different ones. I think they have maybe red or pink. But I think the canvas was beautiful. You've seen how nice and vibrant and beautiful it was without the cover on it. And like I said, I hope the colors are true to what the canvas looked like when I took the cover off. Again, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Keep on diamond painting. Actually, I always do this. I start closing out my video and then something comes to my mind. I want to show you what I'm working on. And I just want to give you guys an update. Alright, I'm still working on this hurricane one back from August. I ordered this, and this one has just been a pain. Another reason why square drills are getting on my nerves. But like I said, this is an old one from August. This is probably when they were starting to have that issue. It is, I know it's upside down, it's 60 by 45. It's 48 colors. I started it on January 27th, and I haven't finished it yet. Of course, we weren't here for like a week. We were visiting family. But I'm having pop-in drill issues. Yay! But I only have, if you think about it, one strip left because I worked on half. It is coming out nice. I love it. I can't wait to finish it and put it on the wall. I will be sealing it, even though we'll have it behind glass. But I am having the pop-in issues. And this is what I'm working on. But I could just feel it. Again, rubbing my hands through it. Like I've said in another previous video. You rub your hand through it and you can feel the popping drills popping. Not snug. Not hair on there. See? You can see the corner sticking up. Now you don't see it. Such a pain. Such a pain. Yep, I just got this section done yesterday. Another one there. But yeah. I feel bad now. My daughter wanted to join me on the video, but I just don't want her to. Nothing against her. She's a chatterbox. Chatter. She's gonna be starting kindergarten soon. That's what we did yesterday. But, yeah. Like I said, I'm just having problems with the drills. There's so much garbage drills and They're always popping. This is my second one I did that's been on a bigger side. And just issues. The one I did for the church, I was having some issues here and there. Not as bad as this one though. And so now it's just getting to the point where I want nicer drills. And it seems the rounds seem to be better quality. So far this is my garbage. There is more garbage in their bags. I just didn't feel like picking out some of it. But there are some garbage drills going on. You can see the little, you look closely. Focus for me, please. Right there, you see dimples on the bottom. Oh, they got a garbage drill right here. Some of them I just don't take out the bag because I'm just not in the mood to deal with it. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a glare. So if I move to the side, you can see it right here. Garbage drill. Yeah, a bunch of issues. Of course, my big bag of 310s, almost empty. The 310s have been horrible. I mean, completely horrible. They actually have like dents in the side that goes into the drills. I don't know. But that's why I've been buying some rounds here and there more. But I know it's all preference. I always loved squares, but since I've been having such a hard time, I'm kind of weaning off of them. I'll go back to them in time, but not right now. I don't feel like being stressed up. But that's it. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Keep on diamond painting. And have fun. Bye.